Defying the odds. Understanding defy in English. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving deep into a powerful word in the English language, defy. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use it, its nuances, and the contexts where it shines the most. Let's get started. Defy is a verb. At its core, to defy means to openly resist or refuse to obey. Imagine someone telling you that you can't do something, and you, with full confidence, prove them wrong. That act of challenging or opposing the statement is defying. Example: the young activist chose to defy the unjust laws of her country. While defy is a powerful word on its own, it becomes even more dynamic when used in phrases. Let's explore some. 1. Defy the odds. To succeed in something despite it seeming unlikely or challenging. 2. She was told she'd never walk again, but she defied the odds and ran a marathon. 3. Defy description, explanation. Something so incredible or unusual that it's hard to describe or explain. 4. The beauty of the sunset that evening defied description. 5. Defy belief, understanding. Something so unbelievable or confusing that it's hard to comprehend. 6. The magician's tricks often defy understanding. Understanding synonyms is a great way to enrich your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for defy. 1. Resist. To oppose something or someone. 2. The group chose to resist the new policies. 3. Challenge. To invite or provoke into a contest or confrontation. 4. He challenged the reigning champion to a match. 5. Oppose. To be against something, usually in a sustained manner. 6. She opposed the proposal because it lacked clarity. 7. Rebel against. To go against an authority or system. 8. The youth rebelled against the oppressive regime. And there you have it. The word defy is indeed a versatile and evocative term in the English language. It's all about challenging, resisting, and standing up against odds or authority. We hope this video has helped clarify its usage and meaning. Always remember, language is a tool, and with each word you learn, you sharpen that tool. Keep defying the odds in your language learning journey.